I had a question. I just wanted to know, like, what factors made you decide you wanted to be like a, I think you said independent agent. I think.
Yeah, good question. So, okay, so there's two types of insurance agents when it comes to home and auto insurance. You've got a captive agent, you've got an independent agent. So a captive agent is going to be someone that works for an agent that's with State Farm, Allstate, Farm Bureau, Shelter, American Family, where when you go in there, and if you buy a policy from them, it's going to be, most likely, in most cases, it's going to be an American Family auto policy or American Family or State Farm or whoever. It's whatever company you're walking into, that's what they're going to be able to write with. There are some captive companies that have a little bit of flexibility where they can work with a Progressive or something like that. But for the most part, you're going to be buying, I know especially when I was working at a State Farm agency, if you got a policy from us, it was a State Farm auto policy or State Farm home policy. As an independent agent, what I can do is, if you come in and say I want an auto insurance quote, well, I've got at least 6 companies that I'm going to run quotes with. And so, as an independent agent, I truly have the ability to work for my clients. Where if I write a policy for them, and 2 or 3 years down the road, the premium goes up, it becomes unaffordable, or maybe they get a speeding ticket or 2. I have the ability to take their information and I can run quotes again with the other insurance companies we've got, and if we can offer better coverage, lower premium, whatever it may be, I can give them options. Whereas when you're with a captive agent, there's not a lot of choices always, unless you're changing coverages or increasing deductibles, those types of things. So the reason that I wanted to go independent was because I wanted to have the freedom to run my own business, but I also wanted the freedom to be able to work for the client and to give them my best option. And sometimes my best option isn't what's best for them, and that's okay. And sometimes that's a tough pill to swallow for me, but you have to do what's in the best interest of the client always, and it'll come back, and that's just what needs to be done. So that's kind of the reason that I chose to be an independent agent, because it just gives me more freedom